Think you've seen every cool gadget out there? Think again. This video is packed with next-level tech that'll blow your mind and upgrade your daily life. If you're into futuristic gear and smart finds, hit subscribe button now, because here, the future drops first. Meet the PETKIT PUROBOT Max Pro, an AI-powered litter box built to give your cat royal treatment and keep your home odor-free. With dual AI cameras, real-time health tracking, and advanced deodorization, it's more than just self-cleaning, it's self-thinking. It detects when your cat enters, auto-cleans right after, and even tracks usage habits via app. Whisper quiet, fully enclosed, and packed with smart tech. This is the future of litter care. Meet the QuickFreezer, your new go-to for instant frozen treats and slushies, ready in just 60 seconds. Whether it's smoothies, mocktails, or milkshakes, this compact device freezes any beverage into a refreshing delight on demand. No cords, no noise, no mess. Just pour, squeeze, and enjoy. Perfect for hot days, parties, or whenever the craving hits. It's fast, fun, and endlessly reusable. Back it on Kickstarter now and start freezing the fun. Tired of boring, clunky keyboards? The NocFree Lite is here to change the game. With hot swappable switches, per-key RGB backlighting, and fully programmable macros, it's built for both productivity and play. Its sleek, low-profile design, durable build, and wireless capability give you total freedom, whether you're crushing deadlines or dominating in-game. This is the keyboard that adapts to you. Tired of wrist strain from long hours at your desk? The Razer Cobra Click brings next-level ergonomics with a vertical design that promotes a natural hand position. It's built for comfort, but packed with performance. Featuring Razer's Focus Pro 30K sensor, hyperspeed wireless, and customizable buttons for precision control. Plus, it delivers up to 400 hours of battery life. Whether you're gaming or grinding through work, this mouse keeps you sharp without the strain. Sick of sweaty backs and sticky seats? The ChillPad cooling cushion is here to change that. This smart, portable cushion actively circulates chilled water to keep you cool and dry, whether you're working, driving, or gaming. With adjustable temperature control and a silent pump, it delivers comfort without the noise. It's compact, rechargeable, and totally mess-free. Say goodbye to sweaty discomfort. This is next-level seat tech. Looking for a game controller that adapts to you? The ManbaOne interactive wireless controller is built for all platforms: Xbox, PlayStation, PC, even iOS and Android. Its fully remappable buttons, Hall effect triggers, and 6-axis motion sensing give you pro-level control across every genre. And with low-latency wireless, RGB lighting, and a built-in gyroscope, this controller doesn't just respond, it elevates your gameplay. It's sleek, smart, and made for gamers who never settle. Tired of juggling multiple chargers and tangled cables? Introducing the DockOrb 12-in-1 dock, a sleek, all-in-one solution that transforms your workspace. With dual 4K HDMI, lightning-fast USB ports, and a 15-watt Qi 2 magnetic wireless charger, it's designed for the modern professional. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to efficiency. Let's dive into how DockOrb can revolutionize your setup. Need a speaker that can survive the wild and still bring the party? Meet the Turtlebox Gen 2, a portable Bluetooth speaker built to be loud, rugged, and completely waterproof. With up to 120 decibels of distortion-free sound, this thing can power your tailgates, campsites, or job sites. No problem. It's IP67 rated, drop-resistant, and lasts over 25 hours on a single charge. Plus, you can pair two for full stereo. It's not just a speaker, it's the beast your adventures have been missing. The Tune NGT7 is your all-in-one emergency companion designed for any road situation. It's a powerful jump starter, a flashlight, a seatbelt cutter, and a glass breaker, all in one sleek, portable device. With 2,000 amps of peak current, it can jumpstart most cars in seconds, even in extreme cold. It also doubles as a power bank to keep your devices charged on the go. Compact, reliable, life-saving. The T7 is a must-have for every glove box. Looking for budget-friendly headphones that don't compromise on quality? Meet the Sony WH-CH520. With up to 50 hours of battery life, Bluetooth wireless freedom, and a built-in microphone for calls, these headphones are made for all-day listening. They're lightweight, comfortable, and deliver the crisp, balanced sound Sony is known for, whether you're working, commuting, or just vibing to your favorite tracks.